Welcome back. This is the LED flashlight gloves. Super bright LEDs. One size fit most, sort of. Comfortable fabric. Replaceable batteries. Okay. All right. Let's look at these. All right. It looks like it has some maybe extra batteries, and it has a screwdriver. Interesting. And 2 sets of gloves. Okay. Interesting. Let's see if you press this button here. Oh, the lights turn on and they turn off. Interesting. Okay. Let's open one of these. These are 2016s. Okay. Not 2023s. Let's see if we can unscrew this. Let's try this one better. Give me a little more torque. Okay. And there's the battery. Positive side up. Okay. Okay. Put that back in here. All right, let's see. Maybe like this. All right. Challenging. Okay, like that. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, so let's see. So let's put it on this hand instead. All right. Index finger, thumb, right? And then this goes around. Fits fine. Interesting. Okay. So if you're working on something, you turn on the lights. And this one's dead. Dead on arrival, okay? This one is working, okay. Oh, good opportunity to change it. Okay. We'll use this tool instead, the screwdriver, a little more torque. Positive, right? Oh, there's 2 of them. Interesting. That's why you get 2. Okay. Probably because there's 2 lights. All right. Positive, okay. That's too bad these are not 2032s. Maybe because they're thinner. There's 2 contact points here. Okay. All right. And the screw will go on here. We won't find out if it works until we screw this. Okay. Turn it on. Nope. All right. I'll unscrew it. Something's wrong. We know this one works, so let's look at this one more closely. Now you shouldn't be dealing with this. Oh, this one, oh, one goes in the top, one goes in the bottom. I see. Well, that makes sense. Okay, I get it. Maybe that was the problem with these batteries. Okay, and that looks like it's a little bit rusty there. Okay, so it's kind of like on a sandwich type. All right, I get it. Okay. So maybe prematurely, whoever put it together, or maybe the battery just ran out because it was not connected right. Let's see. Okay. So let's use these again. They have to be in a sandwich position. Oops. Okay. Gotta be careful. Making sure that's not going anywhere. Okay, like that. All right. Wonder if maybe it is completely dead. All right, let's see. How about like this? These are the new ones. Yeah, it's the battery. Okay, and I didn't place it correctly either. All right. Well, at least you know now. Then you put the cover on. Let's see. Okay. I'm sure you won't have to deal with this. Gotta make sure you got the right. Okay. Let's try that again. There we go. Okay. Now does it work? All right. This one goes. Is this right? No, it's like this. Okay. All right. There we go. So we can trim some of this. Looks like over there at the trimming factory. They didn't do a great job. Index finger goes here. Thumb goes here. Okay. Good. Then you go across. And then barely, but I got it. Turns on. Okay. And as you can see, the light points to where you're working. Okay. Especially the bottom one here. If you're using a tool or something, you have to be more down. Right? That's not going to work like that. So it has to be something where you're using your hands, most likely, so you can look at what you're doing. Okay. That's very nice. Very nice tool. Very easy to work with. Unfortunately, the battery ran out, but that's okay. They gave you extra batteries, and now you know how to replace them. All right. So this is the LED flashlight glove, or gloves, one pair. All right. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I hope to see you later. All right. Bye-bye.